Hey guys, welcome to another Sherman Oaks property tour. I'm your main man, Alan Taylor Real Estate Group, coming at you with a really cool opportunity. This one's in the hills of Sherman Oaks. This is a architectural view home south of the boulevard off of Sepulveda that is potentially a short sale. This is a home that was listed for over $3 million. It's a little unusual right now in this market to have a property that is a short sale. If you don't know what that is, it just basically means that the encumbrances or the liens that are on the house exceed that of the value of the house in the open marketplace. So if you come and write an offer and let's say you get it for 2.5 and the total liens are 2.6, you're gonna have to get one of the lien holders to take a haircut in order to complete the transaction. But the deal is that it's a deal, right? They're not short escrows. They can be long, they can take a little bit of time, but oftentimes you wind up getting a good deal and sometimes it's worth it. I'm gonna show you this house and let you be the judge. If you wanna come check it out, let us know. But let's get after it. All right guys, here it is. So this is a cool architectural view home in the hills of Sherman Oaks. This home is 3,716 square feet and it's got 4 bedrooms. It's got 2 bedrooms that are down where the terrace is and 2 bedrooms that are up. It's got high ceilings. It's got some very cool features, which I'm gonna show you. Let's take a look. So over here from the side of the house, you can see kind of the architecture and the design. It's kind of got this little Z thing going on. Below the little overhang there that just is to the back of the house is a little bit more straight. There's a little angular thing which I'll show you. But 2-car parking garage here. It's nicely landscaped. This house is in clean condition. This was on the market for over $3.5 million. They bought it during COVID. They put probably $500,000 into the property and need to move, and then it's so here it is for sale. Its asking price is $2,595. So they smooth stuccoed all the retaining walls, as you can see here. So they put a lot of money into that. Those were probably already existing, but all this smooth coating, new lighting fixtures, did landscaping, painted the house, smooth coated the house, probably redid the brick or the stone there on the fireplace. As you'll see when you go inside the house, they put a lot of money into it. So here we are kind of coming up to the front entry. Not sure if this was here. Probably was, but just a nice enough surface not to do anything with it. Did this cool little 36 by 36 stone tile there for the entry. Got this cool little wood door. So here's the entry there. You've got garage here, and then you've got steps up that go into the living room. But before we do that, this is a very cool room. One thing I would do personally is if you pull these up and do like wide plank engineered oak flooring, this place would be really cool. So anyways, you've got room for a big TV there. As you can see, they got consoles for gaming, tree view over here, and then you can see the neighbors over there in the distance. But this is the bottom floor here. So you've got this really cool game room. You got a couch for relaxing and gaming. You can have a card table over here for poker night. You got wine storage, you got this really cool bar, plenty of space for all your fine liqueurs, your spirits. This was probably added by the owner. This is quartz. And then nice cabinetry, which is in really good shape. It's super clean. So really cool space for entertaining your buds. And then down here's the garage. So we've got a 2-car parking garage. We'll show you that. So 2-car parking garage, plenty of room for storage as well. And then before we go up to the main level, you've got this little mezzanine here. This is mechanicals in there. And then you've got a 3/4 bath with more storage. And this is well located because if you're downstairs, you know, relaxing and having a drink or playing games or whatever, you can just pop right up here and use the bathroom, and then that's storage there as well. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Let's keep going. All right, so here we are coming up the stairs. This is the main kind of hangout space in the home. As you can see, it's extremely impressive. It's got this really cool wood paneling on the dining room that creates a little juxtaposition between the dining space and the living room. You have these high ceilings here that are at least, gosh, 25 plus feet with a cool chandelier and walls of glass. This is a really cool room. It's got a custom marble fireplace that is all the way to the ceiling. There it goes all the way from the floor all the way to the ceiling. As you can see, it was a beautiful choice by the owner. It has really nice kind of textures and veining, and it's beautiful. So glass staircase, all this glass and light creates a vibe and an energy that just feels fantastic. Wait till you see the views when I go upstairs. So I'm gonna go take you guys over here. Oh, before we go to the kitchen, let me show you this outside space right here. So you've got a deck out front too, so you can hang here, and then it also extends over here. So this is the formal dining room, and I think this is one of the bedrooms in here. Yes, and then you've got this deck. So it's not a clear day, but you can see full view of the Santa Susana Mountains in the distance. And that is Castel de Orea there. That house is on the market for $29 million. There's Royal Oaks Colony. So you're just off Sepulveda and easy access to the west side. All right, so here we are coming upstairs to the main space where the kitchen is. So you can see you got this bar right here, which is perfect for having breakfast, hanging out. Really did a really nice job on this paneling underneath the bar, the breakfast bar. It has a cool look, and these floors are beautiful. They look like 24 by 48 inch porcelain tiles that have really clean and attractive look to them, and they're in really good shape. So this is kind of your breakfast area here. So it's connected to the TV, to the kitchen. So you got this TV here. This paneling was added. It was really nicely done. Actually, kind of looks like it's a bamboo finish and goes all the way into the kitchen. So a really, really nice design. So you come up here in the mornings, you have your breakfast and hang out. This is kind of your family area. There's a long outdoor dining table on the outside, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But here's the kitchen. Loads of storage, zero edge cabinetry. Zero edge meaning there's no handles or pulls. You just push it and it pops right out. Beautiful cabinetry, really nice finish. I love the countertops. This is a quartz, not a quartzite, I believe, and it has a really nice veining in it. You know, the ones with the higher quality veins, I think stand the test of time and look really good. So you got a 5-burner stove, you got your uppers. Here's your sink, and your view out of the sink is to a lovely garden that's nicely landscaped. I'm gonna take you out there in just a minute. Double farm sink, dishwasher. I'm gonna take you guys outside real quick. So here's your outdoor dining table. You got a built-in barbecue center. Actually, it might not be built in, it's freestanding, but it's a nice barbecue center. And you've got this covered overhang here with heaters. Just a really cool place to entertain your buddies and have a nice meal. And then in the back here, you got these steps. Now this is a hillside property, so it's built into the back of a hill. So you don't have a whole lot of, flat backyard, but what you do have are these awesome decks up here. And this fountain, which is really nice. You got a little waterfall here. You got a lot of privacy back here. This is an oak tree, so it's hard to tell, but you can see you've got these little lights here, also with full view. So that's Santa Susana Mountains there in the distance and the valley, twinkling lights at night. So you could do a lot up here. You could put another outdoor dining table up here. You can put an outdoor gym out here. Looks like he's got a covered space on the other side. Yeah, this is like, here's his pull-up thing. So perfect place to kind of come up here at night and just relax, smoke a cigar, have a cocktail with a buddy, work out in the mornings. Also has views of the hills. All right, so I'm gonna take you back downstairs and show you the rest of that lower level before we go to the top floor. So back in the kitchen area, this was the bar that I was showing you earlier. So here's the formal dining space, which is beautifully appointed. You got these really nice uppers. I love how they kept the paneling over here, and they continued the countertops that you see in the kitchen as well as the cabinetry. So it creates a consistent look and feel, which I like. Sometimes when you do different finishes and fixtures in different rooms, it's just not cohesive, and they did a good job here. And again, hazy day, but major views of the valley and the Santa Susana Mountains from here. And it spills out onto the deck, so just a great place to have dinner party and have people relax and just enjoy a good view. So laundry room is here, super convenient off the kitchen. Now there's 2 bedrooms over here that are shared by this hall bath right here. I'll first show this to you. This is also doubling as a powder. Really nice finishes, 24 by 24 porcelain floors with this like deep black and white veining that looks really good. And it looks clean juxtaposed against the stone that was chosen for the siding. Frameless glass shower enclosure, nice vanity. Bedroom 1 here also has access to that front deck. There's your closet over there. Spacious room, like good size, right? You got room for the bed over here, and then you also have a little room for the Peloton or whatever. So nice sized room. Here is Bedroom 2 downstairs. This is currently set up as an office. No outside access, but a really nice picture window with some greenery. Also good size, and it's got its own closet over there. All right, let's go upstairs, guys. Another view of the living room with the walls of glass. This is where the views become more and more explosive. So I'm not even up to the top level, and you could just see the Santa Susana Mountains and the valley view below. All right, so here we go to the right. This room is awesome. This is set up as a gym. This is like an open style loft that he enclosed with glass. It makes it easier for you to do your thing in here, play music, do whatever. So, you know, great place to wake up in the morning, get your workout in, get the day started, super clean. I'm gonna show you a reverse angle. Just a nice sized room. It's got this walls of glass here. So instead of having the railing down below here and having your view blocked, they got rid of that and put in these floor to ceiling glass, which is amazing. Like being in this room and working out feels like I'm outside. I can see the view. Like it's really well done and very well thought out by the current owner. Bedroom 3 upstairs, light and bright, spacious. Closet over there, slider that opens up to the Juliet balcony, view of greenery. There's room for a dresser over here. There's a second closet over there, and there's also room for a TV. Oh, excuse me, this one's a suite. I'll show you. They're both, okay, both the bedrooms upstairs are suites. I forgot about that because the other one's the primary. So here you are, you've got a clean vanity here. This flooring is also very expensive. I can tell, check out the gold veining in it. You can always tell by the uniqueness of the flooring how expensive it was. Frameless glass shower enclosure. And then looks like they got like a little sauna dealio going there. So lots of space. Hang out with me for one more second and I'm gonna show you the primary bedroom and then we're gonna wrap it up. And here's the primary. So really good size, just where you'd want it to be on the view side. Spacious, you got a large king size bed, 2 end tables there, dresser here, plenty of space. There's the bathroom. Before I go in there, I'm going to show you another angle. So again, you've got views of the Cascade de Araya right there, that $29 million home, and the hills. This is the Santa Monica Mountains, guys. That's the Santa Monica Mountains you're looking at. This is south of the boulevard in a location that's easy to get to the west side. There's your closets over there, and then last but not least, the primary suite, or retreat, or spa-like bath, I should say. Double sink vanity, natural oak colored. Vanity here, beautiful. Looks like 48 by 24 inch tiles, soaker tub, and shower with frameless glass shower enclosure. Guys, for $2.6 million to get all this square footage in this location is a really good deal. So if you have any interest in looking to buy smartly in this market, you're gonna wanna check out this listing. Give us a call, 818-217-1767. I'd be happy to show you a tour. And if you want more of the Best Valley properties, make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you soon.